In this video, we will learn how to start and stop the Tomcat server for SailPoint Identity IQ on a Linux system. First, log in to the Linux server using Putty. Enter the server hostname, your username, and password. Next, switch to the root user using the sudo command and enter your password. Navigate to the directory where Tomcat is installed, typically the apps folder. Check if Tomcat is already running using the process command. If it is running, stop it by killing the process using its process ID. Navigate to the Tomcat bin directory and run the startup script to start the server. Verify that the process is running. Validate the server by opening the application URL in a browser such as Chrome or Internet Explorer. To stop the Tomcat server, run the shutdown script. Alternatively, you can stop it by killing the process. You have successfully learned how to start and stop the Tomcat server in SailPoint Identity IQ. Always verify the server status after performing these operations.